One of the most valuable lessons I've learned as an artist is that one of the biggest mistakes we make is judging a painting before it's had the chance to come together. When I started this piece, the amount of detail felt overwhelming. Instead of worrying about every little stroke, I focused on establishing the overall values, colors, and lighting across the entire painting first. As the painting gradually came together, the details became much easier to understand. I used Photoshop selections to keep different areas clean, switched between different watercolor brushes to create varied textures, and used erasers to bring the light back into the scene. I don't think a painting is ever truly finished. There simply comes a moment when you realize it already says everything you wanted it to say.